Another day, another tariff threat. This time it's Apple under fire because US President Donald Trump has issued a new and a bold ultimatum. iPhones sold in America must be made in America. Otherwise, Apple will pay a 25% tariff on every unit imported from India. But why does this matter? Because Trump didn't mince words. We want you to build here, not in India, is what he said. Despite Apple's $500 billion US investment pledge, Trump isn't happy with their India strategy. He wants iPhones to be built on American soil, and if not, Apple may soon face steep tariffs. And this comes just as India becomes central to Apple's manufacturing. Because India now accounts for 20% of the global iPhone production, and the iPhone 17 Pro models will be manufactured simultaneously in India and China. And Bengaluru is getting its first Apple store at Phoenix Mall of Asia, and through partners like Foxconn and Tata, Apple is doubling down on India to de-risk from China and reduce costs. But this US pushback could change the equation. Industry analyst Ming-Chi Kuo said, "It's better for Apple to eat the 25% tariff than to shift manufacturing to the United States." But why? Because building in the US could push iPhone prices to more than $3,500 per unit. And that's about 2.7 lakhs in Indian rupees. Besides, infrastructure and labor costs are far higher in the United States, while India offers scale, skilled labor, and cost efficiency. Wedbush Securities agrees that shifting production in the US would be financially disastrous. But if the tariff takes effect, Apple could raise iPhone prices in the United States. Entry-level iPhones may get premium pricing, and consumers will bear the cost of political muscle flexing. And all of this while Apple sees its fastest market growth in India, which is now its fourth largest market after China, the United States, and Japan. And analysts say this is a classic Donald Trump strategy, which is to dominate trade headlines, push America first ahead of elections, and flex leverage over big tech firms. It's part negotiation tactic, part nationalistic branding, but Apple's global supply chain doesn't turn on tweets. Apple is in a bind: comply with Trump and rebuild factories at a massive cost, or absorb tariffs and risk consumer backlash. As of now, India remains Apple's best bet for scale, speed, and savings. But if the tariff threat becomes reality, brace yourself because your next iPhone might just come with a 25% price hike. This is FrontPage by AIM TV. Like, comment, and subscribe. And let us know what you think in the comments below. Should Apple move manufacturing to the United States or stay on course with India? So do let us know your thoughts. And always remember to think AI and think AIM.